Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll solve a problem to determine if the digits of a given integer form an increasing sequence. This task involves splitting the numbers into digits and comparing them. Let's get started. The problem is to check if the digits of a number follow a strictly increasing order. For example, in 123, each digit is smaller than the next. In 1223, the sequence breaks because 2 is not less than 2. In 45,677, the sequence breaks because 7 is not less than 7. This program converts the numbers into a string and splits it into an array of digits. It then iterates through the digits, comparing each with the next to ensure it's smaller. If any digit is not less than the next, it returns false. Otherwise, it returns true. The program processes the number in 4 steps. We first converting it to 2 digits, then iterating through the digits. Third, we compare consecutive digits, and finally, we return the results based on the comparisons. Let's analyze these examples. For 123, all comparisons pass, so the output is true. For 1223, the comparison 2 is less than 2 fails, so the output is false. For 45,677, the comparison 7 is less than 7 fails, so the output is also false. The ES6 version uses the every method for a more concise and readable solution. It checks that all digits follow the increasing order condition without explicitly using a loop. Edge cases to consider include single-digit numbers, which are trivially valid, and numbers with repeated digits, which fail increasing sequence conditions. Negative numbers may need additional handling based on requirements. In summary, this program checks if the digits of a number form an increasing sequence. It efficiently handles edge cases and provides clear results for valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.